Right, looking at doing this isometric drawing over here, you can see I've already drawn that base part as that you can basically see it. I've drawn a little bit of line over here, which I'm going to show you how to rub out so that you don't make that mistake. The big thing here, I always like to say, find your center lines. It says that you've got a 27 millimeters going up there and that you've got a radius of 27. So I'm going to take my pair of dividers. I'm going to get the 27 done. Go from the corner over there, mark off your center, draw a center line going up, long dash, short dash, long dash, short dash, long dash, short dash, going all the way up. And on that same line, that same 27 millimeters, swing it up there so that you find the center of that circle. Long dash, short dash, long dash, short dash, long dash, short dash, long dash. Okay. Take your pair of compasses, set them to 27. Place it at the center. Mark off your 27 there. Mark off your 27 there. And mark off your 27 over there. Once you've got that in place, you can then draw in that square that you need in order to draw the arc. There you go. Okay, once you've got that, you can set your pair of compasses to that radius over there, and you can draw in that arc successfully over there. Keeping that same center, you can see that this arc needs to be drawn further back over here, and you should be able to find that distance somewhere on this thing. Says that you've got 9 millimeters from the back there. So you measure off 9 millimeters. Coming over here, mark that off over there. Draw a line coming across. You can take your center from there, going across there. Find your center going up there. Take a center line going across, draw this in dark, long dash, short dash, long dash, short dash, long dash, short dash, long dash. And you can now measure off, using your pair of dividers, that distance over there, from there to there. Take it to that arc over there, from that corner over there, mark that off. Your radius that you just drew over there, take that back over there, and you can draw in a secondary arc going over there. All right? That point and that point, you can darken that arc in nicely. Okay. Drop a line down over here. Take that line across over here. Take that line up over there. Right, we've done those two arcs. I need to find that little arc over there. I'm going to draw a construction line going across this square over here. I'm going to take a line, a construction line, going from that corner of the blue square over here up to the center over there. I can then take my pair of compasses, place it in at that point over there, arc that off with that radius over there, and you can then draw in that little arc over there successfully. Right. I don't think you'll be able to see the arc on the other side. If you were able to see it, you could then take that back, the distance between the centers over there. You draw a line out from there and make that mark. Right, continuing here, what we need to do is we need to try and figure out this distance over here. It's 126, it says. I'm going to bring my pair of compasses or dividers, 126. I'm going to draw a line going from the base over here, going all the way up. Let me just draw that and measure off that 126. Measure that off accurately over there. Draw a line coming across over here. There we go. Okay. It says this thing has a 72 millimeter width. All right, so I can draw that in quite easily. Let's draw that. Measure off 72 millimeters. Over there. Let's mark that off. Put that across. Right. Okay, once I've got that in place, I need to figure out this. 45 plus the 9 plus the 18 plus the 9 plus the 9, and that gives 225. Let's just check that again. 45 plus 9 plus 18 plus 9 plus 9. It's 90, sorry, 90. Let's do that. It's 90. Measure that off over there. Mark that. And I can now start drawing this top part first. Just going to draw a construction line coming across there. It tells me that this top part, I must go 18, 18, 18 across. So I'm going to set my pair of compasses to 18. And I'm going to go to that corner. I'm going to make a little mark. And make a little mark. And I'm going to take some lines going back this way. There we go. There we go. There we go. And then I'm going to say 9 millimeters. Measure off 9 millimeters. It says over there, 9 millimeters back over there. 9 millimeters. Then another 9 millimeters. Then it says 18 millimeters. Well, there's 9 and 9 is going to give me 18, so I pop that across. And another 9 millimeters. Take off there. Mark that off. All right. Okay, so I've got 9, 9, 18, 9. Right. Once I've got that in place, I can draw some dark lines coming across here. From there to there, and from there to there. Come across, there to there, and from there to there. Come across, there, there, across, there, there. Right, once I've got that in place, it says that I drop down 18 millimeters. Right, so we measure off 18 millimeters, and I drop down 18 millimeters. Let's just drop a line down over here. There, measure off 18 millimeters. There it is. And I can now draw a line coming across over here. That across over there. I just need to find the center of this over here. There's the center. And I can drop that down over there, finding the apex of that little triangular part. All right, once I've got that, I'm going to take my set square, line it up there, draw a line coming down there. I can get that lined up over there on my ruler, and I slide it across. Just going to do some construction lines going over there, over there. Let's just do that. And over there, those are the construction lines that I need. I'm going to do these ones over here. This dark line going up there. Obviously can't see that one. I'll be able to see this one coming down to there. And I won't be able to see that one. I can then draw in this story over here. Nice dark line there. And a nice dark line coming down to that line over there. And I can finish off the top of this. Right. Let's just draw a construction line coming down from that 18 over there, and I can then finish this thing off, dropping a line coming down over there, line coming across over here, and it will end up over there. So there to there, should be able to see that, and I will be able to see that. Line coming down over there, line coming down over there. Right, that is all good. That's going to drop down another 9 millimeters over there, but I can draw in this little line coming across over there. I need to drop down another 9 millimeters over here just to finish this off. Let's just draw a construction line there. 9 millimeters, take that over there, mark that over there, draw a construction line coming across, and I can then finish that off going down to that line over there, line coming down from there to there, draw a line going across from there to there. Okay, once I've got that in place, this then goes across. I'm just going to draw a construction line coming across over here. And I have this little 9 millimeter story going up to that point over there. So I can link that corner to that corner over there. Line going up to there. Right, take that off, place it up against the side, slide it across to this 9 millimeter mark over there, and I can draw a line going up to there. Right, once I've got that in place, let's finish that line off over there. This comes across, line coming all the way across over there. Okay, there's this little 9 millimeter story on either side of this thing. So that would be 4.5 on either side, 4.5 on either side of the center line over here, there, and I can then and I need to get that center line in on this thing as well. Just going to do a construction line there and a line going across there and a line going back 30 degrees there to find the center. Do that same 4.5 millimeters on either side of that. 4.5 there, 4.5 there, and I can then draw a line coming down at that angle over there. All the way down till it touches the arc over there. Slide that across, all that down until it touches the arc over there. Got a line that's going to come across over here to this point on that arc that I drew earlier. Draw a line coming up over here, and that is basically the drawing done. All I need to do is to put that little circle in there. It says that it is a 36 diameter, so I can set my pair of compasses to a radius of 18. Go to the center over there, mark that off there, mark that off there, mark that off there, 18, 18, 18, all on the center lines. Come over here, draw that construction line little square story. Obviously, if you've got a circle stencil, an isometric circle stencil, please use it. It will be much quicker than doing what I'm doing over here. If you don't, well, this is the quickest that you'll be able to do this. Take that in there, extend your pair of compasses to that center, should link up with that center. Draw that arc over there, turn that round, go to that center on that corner of that square. Those two centers then should link up. Draw that in place. And then you've got this little center over here, which you can see is going to need to be drawn from that corner of the square up to the center over there. Draw a line going up over there. Draw a line going up over there, and I should be able to find my centers for the two little arcs that I need to finish this circle there. Whoops. Right. There we go. Draw that in place and come over here and draw that. Draw that in place. Come on. Sorry, this compass is not set properly and I'm bouncing out of the page. There we go. There we go. Right, there it is. Right, there's this last line that I need to draw in over here. What you're going to do is you're going to take your set square, you're going to slide it across until you make a tangent to that circle, and you draw a line which goes across and just touches at that point over there. Right, and this little line over here needs to be drawn in as well. There you go. And that's everything that needs to be done on this thing. The very last thing that we need to do is just to rub out this line over here that I put in at the beginning. Dark, remember, just rub it out. Once it's rubbed out, if you've got any lines that need to be repaired, just draw them in properly so that that you don't lose any marks on that sort of stuff. There you go, that's going in there, and life is good.